Hi, I do operations management. I help businesses maximize digital impact. So sometimes I do streamlining ng campaigns, processes, nag-optimize ng resources, I drive ROI. So depende sa need nila. Madalas gumagawa din ako ng like cross-functional collaborations, ganyan. And I have to admit, Canva yung ginagamit ko. But that doesn't make me any less of anyone who's doing the same thing that's using a different platform. Like for example, may mga clients ang trip lang nilang gamitin is Meta, ayaw nilang gumamit ng outside sources. May mga client naman na magsisimulang gumamit ng, alam mo yung bagong-bagong AI na hindi ko pa naiintindihan. I remember nung may client ako, first time ko makamit ng client ng Go High Level, and this was 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. Medyo shook din ako dahil syempre, hindi naman tayo sanay gumamit pa ng Go High Level nung unang panahon. But you know, every now and then, may mga bagong tools, apps, AIs na lalabas. And you just gotta learn kahit hindi yun yung ginagamit mo. But that does not make you any less of a social media manager. And again, I repeat, using Canva does not make you any less of a social media manager just because someone said so. Ulitin ko para hindi kayo ma-confuse kung anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ha. I do operations management. I specialize in digital marketing. Meaning, yung ibang OM ang ginagawa nila is SOPs or managing people. Lahat yun nagagawa ko. However, yung karamihan ng clients ko ngayon, pati yung clients ng VA agency namin is right under the umbrella of digital marketing. Mapapansin nyo lahat ng courses namin halos is more on digital marketing. So for better context, ganito yan. Ibagay napakalaki ng digital marketing. Meron pa nga dyan tinatawag na paid, owned, earned. Meron pa yung 5Ps, 5Ds. Ang daming kineso ng digital marketing. But, para lang mas clear. So, when you market something online, that's digital marketing. So, kung yung role mo helps with the marketing, branding ba yan, running ads, paggagawa ng copy, graphics design, web design, oo, kasama rin yung web design doon. Lahat yan ay under digital marketing. Ngayon, itong mga under the umbrella na to, yung mga sanga-sanga, may mga sanga-sanga pa yan. Halimbawa, ang napili mo ay social media management and marketing. Sa dami ng social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, pati nga Reddit considered as SMM, di ba? Kung Facebook, kung Reddit yung ginagamit mo ng client mo or Pinterest or kung ano pa mang platform yan. But nevertheless, halimbawa, ikaw ang hawak mo sa client mo ay Facebook at ang ginagamit mo ay Canva. Pagkatapos you're able to bring results naman. That is okay. I repeat, that is okay. Huwag kayong masyadong overthinker ng yung title. Pag overthinker ba ng title, entitled ba yung tao? Yun lang, chika lang.